back to Lake Math. Today we're going to start geometry. Geometry was invented by the Greeks a long time ago. Some of my students have asked. Yes, the Greeks still exist. You can still go to Greece and still get a pita. The main thing we're going to start with today is three of the most basic parts in geometry. We're going to talk about points, lines, and planes. And we got to talk about naming. The way that we name them is important. Mathematicians don't like to write stuff. They like to write it as small as they can. So a point is just a dot. It's just a dot. That's all it is. But when we name a point, we're going to use a capital letter. Now, a line goes on forever both ways. And you just pick 2 points on that line. They're capital letters. So the way we write it is you just write the 2 capital letters, and then over it you put the line with the arrows. A plane is a flat thing. Doesn't really matter what shape it is, it's flat. The way we're going to write a plane, the points on the corners there, those corners are vertexes. We'll talk more about that later. You can write plane and then name the corners or the vertexes with the capital letters. Or it's got a letter here in the corner, which means this is plane K. Either one's fine. Also, we have to talk about collinear. Collinear just means that they're both on the same line. So right here, A and B are collinear because they're on the same line. And coplanar means they're on the same plane. So if I have a plane, and there's a point here, and a point here, they're on the same plane, so they're coplanar. Alright, that should be enough to get started.